Welcome to ClearTask. In this tutorial, I will show you the cleanest way to place two tables side by side in Google Docs. Since Google Docs does not have a native feature to float tables next to each other, we will use a simple container workaround to perfectly align them. First, open your document. Go to the top menu, click on Insert, then select Table. Create a table with 2 columns and 1 row. This acts as our invisible main container. Next, place your cursor inside the left cell of this new container. Go back up to Insert, click on Table, and choose the dimensions for your first actual table. Let's use a 3x3 layout for this example. Now, click inside the right cell of your main container. Repeat the exact same process. Click Insert, go to Table, and add your second table. At this point, you have 2 tables sitting nicely side by side, but you can still see the outline of the container holding them together. To fix this, right-click anywhere on the outer border of the main 2x1 container. From the menu, choose Table Properties. Look for the color section on the right side panel. Find the Table Border Width dropdown and change it to 0 points. Just like that, the outer grid disappears. You are left with 2 completely independent, perfectly aligned tables placed side by side. If this solved your problem, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct software guides. Thanks for watching.